Hello and welcome to Math 243 online with Brian Kau. I am your instructor. This class is an online class. It's not live streaming like it says here on the syllabus. We will just be meeting during the week. You will meet during the week and try to complete the work that's found on Moodle. Okay, so you're just going to be opening up your Moodle portal and completing the work given there. This is the syllabus that you can find on your Moodle portal. So if you look at Moodle portal right here, you can see that the syllabus is listed right here. Okay, the textbook that we're going to be using is downloadable here. You can also buy a copy from the bookstore if you'd like a printed copy. Part of the syllabus is a timeline, but I separated that out into a specific timeline so that if you want to print that out and put that up somewhere so you can see what we're doing each day, then you don't have to do the whole syllabus. You don't have to print out the whole syllabus to just get the timeline. Alright, so in the class we're going to be looking at statistics and some probability that's going to be involved with that. All the information, you should be able to read through this. All the information you need should be here. Some highlights are I'm in the office Tuesdays, Thursdays in the morning. I have a class from 10 to 12, so I will not be available then, but usually 8 to 10 I'm in there in my class office. And I will be online from 8:30 to 9 on those days to answer questions for this class. You could probably reach me from 9 to 10 as well in my office if you want to call me there, or on email, because I'll be there looking at my email at that time. So you're going to need a book or access to the PDF. A graphing calculator. I'm going to give you an actual link to a calculator that you can open up another window if you don't want to purchase one. And you need some kind of computer with some internet access so you can do all of this as a scanner or a camera so that you can take pictures of your work. Those are the requirements. The rest of this you can read through. I just want to go quickly to two parts. This is the schedule I mentioned before. We're going to be working on these things. The deadlines are given on Moodle. So Chapter 1 homework is due on Friday of this week, not Sunday, because I have to turn in no-show drops, and that's going to be our given no-show drop requirement. The other thing I wanted to mention in this, besides that, is what things we're going to be working on. So you're going to have homework weekly. This will be on Moodle. You're going to have activities on Moodle where you have worksheets that you're going to download. You're going to have tests. There's 3 of those. Each test has 2 components. One of them is you're going to take on Moodle. It's going to be a 2.5-hour block of time, but within a 48-hour period of time. So you can pick your 2.5-hour blocks within that 48-hour block of time. You'll also have to meet with me for Zoom. Okay, so you're going to answer 1 or 2 questions on Zoom with me. That will be scheduled the week before. I'll just give you some time slots. You can sign up as you can, and we can schedule something. If you can't make a time slot, we can make some other arrangements for another time slot. I'm usually pretty flexible. Only time I won't be able to meet is when I'm having class for my other class. The other thing that you're going to have to work on in this class is a project, but we'll talk about that later on in the term once we get to hypothesis testing. Okay, all deadlines for projects and homework are going to be listed here. So like homework's due on Sunday except for week 1, and activities are also going to be due on Sunday of each week. All right. So there's some support documents here. There's also some information about emergency information and some accessibility information. Okay, so you want to read through your syllabus and make sure if you have questions, send me an email. Here's my email again, or give me a call on the phone, and that will be forwarded to my email so that I can hear your call, and then I'll be able to call you back. All right, well, that's our introduction. All of this information is found here on the course. Okay, here's the timeline for what we're doing this week. Okay, it tells me what's due when. All right, so you'll have those set up. And then the recording you're seeing right now is going to be listed here. There's also recordings from the author. You don't have to watch those, but you can use those. And then the homework's listed here. And the activities are listed here. Okay, so they're going to be done each week, will be posted something like that.